Hi guys, it's me again, the psychopath you all love, Mrs. Kennedy J. To all my subscribers, I hope you all enjoy my videos, and those who haven't, do not hesitate to click the link in the description box down below to catch up on what you missed. Today we will be making a refreshing cucumber lemonade beverage. I do not care if the summer is gone, this lemonade is here to stay, honey, period. We are going to need 1 English cucumber. Please make sure you wash off your veggies and fruit and stuff before you cook with it, because honestly, they do not do it at the store for you. All you're going to need is a cutting board, your knife, a cucumber, and a bowl. Now, you don't have to use like a super big bowl, but something just so you can put your cucumber in there before you put it in the drink. So how I cut it is like, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this for y'all because honey, I cut so freaking slow, bro. But honestly, just make sure you like use half of the freaking cucumber and save the rest for garnishment to actually put in your lemonade when you drink it, because when you boil this, I promise you, you're gonna be like, what the heck? It don't even look like a cucumber no more. It looks like a freaking pickle, bro. So I like to like marinate, I guess, marinate the cucumber and put it inside the bowl, and you can like let it soak overnight. But me, I just put it in the bowl so it can be sitting there while I'm preparing it to go in the pot for later. So with the mint, you need a bowl, a different bowl outside of the cucumber, and you're gonna pluck it. Honestly, it took me a minute, so I fast forwarded it for you guys so you wouldn't just be sitting there watching me do it, even though you're sitting there watching me do it anyway, but faster, but it's okay. So freaking just make sure you like get all the leaves off, honestly, because I don't know if y'all really cook with mint like that, but I don't. So I just went ahead and like bought a plant and like plucked all of the leaves off so I wouldn't waste any of it. And it has soil in there, so like you can put water in it and then put it back in like your window or something and it'll grow right back. So yeah, so I'm just making sure I get all the leaves and all that freaking, because I'm gonna wash it anyway, so I honestly wasn't tripping about like dirt or anything like that. But that's the finished product of that. So whoop, bada bam, bada boom. So now I have it I have it in some warm water just so I can make sure I get off like all the dirt or whatever that was on there before I had bought it at the store. So you're just gonna hand wash it and then take it out and put it on top of the cutting board or whatever, just so you can like me personally, I rinsed it twice. Bow, bow, bow. So now you're gonna get water, sugar, and cucumber, and you're gonna put it in the pot and put it on high. Now I got a regular stove, so it boiled like super quick, so be careful not to burn it because it is sugar and like it will overflow in the pot and like it'll just taste super gross. So you want to make sure you let it cool down, put it in a container, or just set it to the side and like watch me act the fool. I honestly have no life at home. Like, who does this? I'm getting beat though. Beat. Bow. 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 Low key, my son was on the side of me. He was like scared the entire time. Like, he's like, where is my mom? You know, he's like mad young, so he don't know what's going on. And I'm just terrorizing him. Oh my god, I need hope. I had no wig on either, girl. I had to make sure I keep my hood on my head so y'all won't see them cornrows, okay? But meet my son, Hassan. He be down for whatever, bro. He just be like, bro, I don't know what's going on, man. Alright, bitch, put me on. So I don't have a picture, but I do have this container that my grandma gave me when I first moved into these houses. So I'm just gonna pour the liquid. I waited for it to cool down a little bit before I put it in there because it's a plastic container. And obviously you can see that the cucumber is now freaking pickles, bro. And honestly, I don't like pickles, but when I tasted it tasted so freaking good, bro. It tasted like lemonade pickles. Like, I should do a video of freaking making lemonade pickles, like the whole thing, because honestly I wouldn't mind eating that at all. Like, it was super sweet and tangy, like a fresh pickle, bro. Like, I was like shook as hell. I was like, wow, I made a pickle, bro. So yeah, after you do that, you're just gonna put the lid on it and freaking whatever you do, put it, if you want to like set it on the counter, let it cool down some more, and then put it in the fridge so your other food won't spoil. But I just went ahead and stuck it in the freezer. Bow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the freaking other half of that cucumber that I said is safe for garnish. You're gonna cut it in half and then start cutting it into smaller pieces so it can be really cute to go in a glass if you're serving it for other people at your house. And you just put it in a glass and you're gonna put it in there with some mint. Do not forget the mint, guys. I promise you, like, I didn't put the mint in with the actual drink because I knew it would get soggy, but I put it in there with my glass individually for each glass I made. You're supposed to mix this with water, like the actual you're actually supposed to mix this with water, but I just make my glass individually because I would add water and the alcohol too. So yeah, but be reasonable. If you feel like it's too sweet or like too a
motherfucking down ham fucking.
I added a couple ice cubes in there because I really didn't want to wait for it to finish getting cold. But bon appetit. It looks so freaking good. Look at it. I can't wait for you guys to try this at home. I really hope you do because it's so good and refreshing. Now, if you're an adult, 21 years of age, boo-boo, please add you some lemon Bacardi. Let me tell you something. That bottle right there only costs like $6 to $7. And let me tell you, I literally drank that whole bottle by myself. Like, it's 35% alcohol and it was so good. Look at my man.